the food we eat and the way we greet, I feel we culture.
It's something that we inherit from the past, we cherish right now in the future and preserve it to pass it on to the future generations. The theme for Heritage Week this year is celebrating a proud heritage, resilient and strong. Can you tell us why you're proud to be Jamaican? Because you like Jamaica. I like Jamaica too, Renard.
Daddy Marcus, Daddy Marcus, Daddy Marcus, Daddy Marcus, Daddy Marcus, Daddy Marcus, Daddy Marcus.